Our objective for today, I can add and subtract real numbers. Read together, 1, 2, 3. I can add and subtract real numbers. So last week, we started with real numbers. You don't have to fill this out. You can do that by yourself because you already know the definition. Examples, non-examples. Came up with some of those. We gave this a name. Tell your neighbor the name of this non-example. That is correct, imaginary. And then we came up with hashtags, right? From there, I gave you guys steps for addition. And that's it. But this lesson is on subtraction. So writing utensils down, look up to the screen. Addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. Tell your neighbor the difference between addition and subtraction. That subtraction has one more step. Who noticed that? Yes? Which is step 1. I want you to copy that. To subtract the real numbers, I add the opposite of the second number to the first. That's the only one that you're going to copy because you already have the notes on 2, 3, and 4. Copy that. All right, here we go. So once again, to subtract real numbers, I add the opposite of the second number to the first. So last week, I covered absolute value, how to add with absolute value, right? We covered ground zero, number line, and absolute value. So we got this, including tiles. Let me go to example 5. Copy this one, please. Example 5 says subtract 5 minus negative 4. Just copy it. Don't do anything else. So I'm going to go over this one. Once again, today and tomorrow are going to be the easiest lessons of the school year. Okay? Here we go. Write your utensils down. Look up to the screen. Okay, Cooper, read me the step. All right, so add the opposite of the second number to the first. So when you have a subtraction, do we have a subtraction? Add the opposite of the second number. What's the opposite of the second number? 4 to the first. Notice that the first stays the same, so 5 plus 4, that is 9. Before you copy it, though, there's a property that you probably missed. Look up. What did we do here? Add, and it's the opposite. Talk it over with your neighbor. Let them know what property I use to change it to that. Go. Hands if you see it. Who saw that it's the additive inverse? Because what's another name for opposite? Inverse. Additive inverse property. Copy that, please. Be nice. Example Q. So copy that, and then you're going to do this one by yourself. Negative 2 minus, parentheses, negative, number? 7. Do that by yourself. Copy and go. All right, here goes the process. Do we have a subtraction here? Yes, so we add the opposite of the second to the first. 2 of these cancel 2 of these, so we're left with positive 5. Hands up, you got that? Okay, let's do one more. Example Super Q. Let's do, okay, 3 minus 8. Of this, that we're going to use the additive inverse property. Here we go. Is it a subtraction? Yes. So we add the opposite. What is the opposite of 8? Negative 8. Bring down the 3. 3 cancel 3 of these, so we're left with negative 5. Okay, we get that, right? Yes. Okay, let's kick it up a notch. Here we go. Example, Power Rangers Q. Here we go. Negative 1 minus negative 3 minus 2 minus negative 4. Do this one together, or you want me to give you a little bit of time? Okay, 20 seconds, go. Copy that and go. Okay, here it goes. Here goes the process. Is there a subtraction here? Yes. Add the opposite of the second to the first. How about this one? Add the opposite of the second to the first. That one stays the same. Subtraction here. Add the opposite of the second to the first. Okay. Next, once we have this, what did I ask you to identify? 0 pairs. 0 pairs. Do I have any 0 pairs?
No.
Yes. What is negative 1 and negative 2? Negative 3 and 3? 0 pairs. And we're left with? Hands if you got that. Okay. One more. Here we go. Example, Michael Jordan Q. 2 minus 5 minus negative 2 minus 4. Last one. I'm going to call on someone. If they got it, we're done. If not, we do one more. Okay.
Oh, well.
Let's see. Volunteer Ivan, go. What'd you get? Negative 5. Hands if you got that. That is correct. So the home play for tonight, once again, it's I want you to change all the subtractions to addition using the additive inverse. And number 9, you don't have to show me in 4 different ways. That one you just do straight through. Okay? Have a good one, guys. Enjoy the home play. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Enjoy the home play.